Senator Kawu, you posted on your Facebook page about the budget padding. Just tell us whether the Facebook page address us so that we know whether your listing was hacked or not.
Mr. President, my dear distinguished colleagues, I am Bayan Sen.kawu, Sumaila, representing Kano South Senatorial District, NNPP from Kano. Mr. Speaker, I heard, Mr. President, very sorry, I heard what our colleague, Senator Solomon Adiola present in his motion. Quite all right, Mr. President, I was in that meeting in your house, and we all agree that we will not in any way granted an interview or engage anybody on this issue. You promised to look into it to the extent you asked Chief Whip of the Senate, who happened to be Deputy Chairman of Appropriation, whether he has knowledge on what is going on in the budget, and he responded to you that negatively, that no. Therefore, I quite agree and affirm that position. And from that time up to today, there was no time I granted an interview with anybody. All what happened, sir, is that after we left your house, I had in the morning the interview of Senator Abdul Ningi. I read it, I listened to it attentively. I realized that he granted the interview before our meeting. Even in that case, it is not what we agree in our last meeting, that we are not going to press. In the afternoon, there was a first at so many platforms, which I posted it to our Northern Senators Forum. Northern Senators Forum. There was no place, and nobody hacked my account, and I stand to be corrected. Nobody hacked my account, and I am not in agreement with what my brother Solomon presented to this Senate. It is total lie. I am not party of it. If for any reason what I forced to the Senate, our Northern Senators Forum, as a member of that forum, and it is exclusively for our own consumption. My intention is to call the attention of our brothers that see what is going on and see what people are saying. I am very busy during the weekend because of Ramadan, but there was no time I granted an interview. On my way to Kano, Senator Tambuwal called me, directed me, not even as my colleague, but as my big brother, that you must make sure don't even in any way granted an interview with anybody on this issue. Senator Barrow too, before I enter Kano, he do the same to me. And throughout from Friday up to yesterday, I am busy in my constituency attending my routine tafsir. Secondly, sir, with due to respect to our colleagues, we are not in any way intend to undermine either the president, Senate president, or the Senate. We are matured enough. We know this business. We all agree that we are leaders. And we understand, or we understood, our constitutional responsibility. One of it is oversight. Constitutionally, we must make sure that there is scrutiny on whatever is going in related to federal government expenditure. Mr. President, with due respect to our colleague, how many of us has time to go through this budget? How many of us? I have some items here in the budget, sir. No, I just want to draw our attention. 36 items ranging to 57 billion naira without location. Let me tell you the last one. You will understand what we are complaining, and you will understand our appealing. And Mr. President, sir, you agree with us that most of what happened during the budget, you are, for example, number 36, ERGP 2021-29.
Senator Kawu, please, I withdraw your protection. I will explain something to you. We are trying to remain one Senate. You have not denied the posts that you made. Distinguished Senator Olamilekon, do you have the post that you made? Yes. Can you read it out? No, it's important because he's saying he stands by his post. Please, can you just number? You are not hearing me. You are not hearing me. I said, wait, Senator Kawu. I want you to. Okay, since you don't have it, Senator Olamilekon, you are the mover of the motion. Okay, Senator Joel, Onawapu, can you read what Senator Kawu posted? No, I want him to read it again because you are not interested. Okay, so use your mic and read out what you posted. Okay.
He said I should do something, that's why I got up.
I am not the originator and I am not the maker of this. I am not the maker. I am not the maker.
Distinguished Senator Kawu, on the Northern Senators Forum, you made a post which was supposed to be part of the transcription of Senator Ningi's interview. I'm coming. I want you to, because you also listened to the interview, we have the full version of the interview on the, before, this Senate leader, what is necessary is that we must all be given the opportunity. This is democracy. Nobody must be shot. Nobody's mouth must be shut. This is democracy. Everybody has a right to express himself. And you also have a right to get to the bottom of this. Now, please read what you reposted or posted. Please read, please read what you posted.
I just saw it inside.